SpaceChiller provides an advanced cooling system to enclosures throughout the cabin, offering flexibility to passenger service and expanded airline catering. Modularity provides self-service catering areas without encroaching on flight attendant workspaces or passengers' personal space. The advanced thermoelectric cooling system quietly adds refrigeration at higher efficiency, smaller size, and better performance, without the use of potentially global warming refrigerants. Jamco Corporation and NTT Sonority present a next-generation audio experience for in-flight passengers, Personalized Sound Zone. This system uses advanced acoustic technology that emits IFE radio from speakers located near the headrest and confines the sound in a personal spherical zone around the passenger. Passengers can enjoy audio without headsets and without disturbing others. ZIM Aircraft Seating's ZIMprivacy prioritizes passenger comfort with a special backrest shell providing a heightened sense of personal enclosure and living space. The seat features an innovative recline system introducing healthier sitting positions, whilst maintaining maximum privacy by ensuring the reclining passenger moves only in their own space.